Hi everyone, my name is Eddy. Welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a chicken chow mein. Okay, this is in Cantonese. The mean is the chicken fried egg noodle. Alright, let's get started. Alright, today ingredient what I had is I have the chicken breast. You can also use any other kind and other part of the chicken. It's whenever you like it. Okay, and I have the egg noodle here. The egg noodle is I made by myself as handmade egg noodle. If you want to know how to make egg noodle, then you can check my other video how to make egg noodle. For the chicken chow mein sauce, I got here is the dark soy sauce. This one is give you quite a strong aroma, soy sauce aroma, and more importantly, this one is for the color, for the more dark color. And in here I had oyster sauce, and here is just the normal light soy sauce. Or light soy sauce. Between these two, this give you color, this give you flavor. Okay, they give you the taste. I mean, and seasoning I have here is the we call it fish powder, also can call it hondashi. You also can replace the hondashi to the chicken stock powder. Okay, it's up to you. And this is I have sesame oil. It's just for a nice fragrance after we fried. And here I got another soy sauce. Okay, it's just about 2 tablespoons, and egg, and a little bit of white pepper, ground white pepper. This is just to marinate our chicken. And for the vegetable, what I have here, vegetable fragrance, for a fragrant aroma, I have the shiitake mushroom. The shiitake mushroom is I use the dry shiitake mushroom. If you get a fresh one, you also can use a fresh one, no problem. But I found a dry one, it gives you nice more aroma fragrance. So I take a dry one, rehydrate, and then chop in it. And this is the spring onion. I also chopping, and I separate it, more white part and the more green part are separate. And this is just my chopped onion. This chopped onion is about a quarter. This should be enough for one portion. And garlic. Okay, so far this all give you vegetarian aroma. And for the color, I got some carrot. If you like, you also can replace this to the pepper. Okay, like red pepper, yellow pepper also give you colorful. And I just show you, I use the carrot, and of course this is the green pepper, or just that I chop. And for the little kick, this is optional. Little kick is spicy, I take some red chili. Okay, if you don't like it too hot, too spicy, then like me, you can just take most of the seed out. Okay, I leave a little bit of seed inside because I like some hot taste. So this is the red chili. And for the main veg, I got some nice cabbage. You also can replace this to the pak choy. If you want more Asian or more Chinese style, mostly they like pak choy. Okay, you can change it to the pak choy. But this, I just show you most of the easy get, most of the common get veg here. All right, first we're going to cut my chicken. Okay, it's no big issue, but the little tip I want to show you is sometimes you can see there is the thin and the other side is more thick. All you need to do, just try to open up like a butterfly. Then you can help your chicken get more equally, the thinness more equally, like that. Okay, and this one also, just open up. Or you can just straight cut down, no problem at all, like this. Okay, all we need is just cut into the little stripe. Okay, this ready. Okay, now this thickness, what I like. Now let's just cut it into the stripe like this. Okay, as you can see. Okay, like that. Okay, let me finish. Cut all my chicken into the stripe. Okay, chicken ready cut. Okay, now we're going to marinate. First, you will need just tiny bit of sugar to balance up the saltiness. Then this, I got a soy sauce in and a little bit white pepper. You don't need much. Okay, just little kick. Then let's go. Just give it a nice marinade. Just keep it stir until all the sugar dissolved. Okay. Next step, we will need a egg. So, okay, this amount of the chicken, what I have is about 100 grams. So the 100 grams, the egg it was too much. You don't need that much egg. So what you need to do, just crack your egg in the bowl and little stirring. And just give about the okay 1/3 of egg. This amount enough. Okay, that is done. Then what I have here is this is cornstarch. Okay, just need little bit of cornstarch. You don't need too much. About the half tablespoon. Okay, that's good enough. Then give the little bit of mix. Okay, now a little tip I want to show you is add a little bit of oil. Okay, this oil can be help to seal all our marinade, cover out all our chicken, and at the same time, while we going to fry, it can help our chicken won't be stick all together in the pan. It will separate. It will separate easily. All right. Okay. This is our marinated chicken. Okay. Done. Let's just stand by on the side. Okay. Next step, we're going to make our stir fry sauce. Okay. Here you go. Okay. The stir fry sauce. What I got here is just soy sauce. First, the soy sauce I have here about 2 tablespoon and oyster sauce. Let me get my spoon. Okay, oyster sauce I have about 1 tablespoon in, and here is my fish powder. You can also replace with the chicken powder, which means the chicken stock powder, and also need some dark soy sauce. Dark, sorry, not dark. Dark soy sauce. Okay, this is just for the color, so you don't need much. What I have here only 1.5 teaspoon. That's good for me. Okay, and don't put the sesame seed oil in. The sesame seed is leave for the last. Okay, now we just stirring until all dissolved. All right, dissolved. Let me have some little better taste. See, all my sauce is good. Good. All right. Okay, my sauce is ready. Let's stand by on the side. Next step, I'm going to cook my noodles. Okay. All right, my water is boiling. Now, let's going to cook my egg noodles. Okay, just all in. Okay, because the egg noodle is fresh made, or it's not a frozen, it's not a dry. So this it just take about 2 to 3 minutes. While cooking, I prepare my cold water. This time you don't need ice water. All right, just need no more tap cold water. It should be fine. The egg noodle, all I need is just immediately stop its heating process to the egg noodle. That's all. So I don't need the really cold. All right, now after 2 minutes, as you can see, egg noodle is ready. If you're not sure if the egg noodle is cooked too, it's so simple. Just pick one up, then it's quite long. Then put it in the cold water. Then have some taste, or you can use a finger to bite it. Good. Now heat off. Then take all our egg noodle. Then immediately put it into the cold water. That's fine. Okay, after put it into the cold water, now it's already stopped cooking to the noodle. Then it's ready. Just take out. Okay, you don't want to soak in the cold water too long, otherwise your noodle is getting soggy again. All you need to do just dry and put it on the side to stand by. Okay, put it on the side so long. Okay, now there's cold water done and noodle done. Okay, next I'm gonna fry my chicken. This time I'm not going to use the lot of oil. You can get yourself nice good non-stick pan, then heat it up. Prepare yourself a little bit of some vegetable oil. You can use sunflower oil, canola oil. Okay, no problem at all. As long as the vegetable oil. The only thing I don't recommend is the olive oil, because olive oil is not really suitable for high temperature cooking. So just use normal vegetable oil. Okay, my pan is hot now. Let's put our little bit of oil in. Okay, that's about enough. Don't need a little much. So then chicken in. Okay, it's good. Then just let it fry. Like this. Okay, now we can just keep a stir. Okay, you must keep a high heat all the time, all right? Okay, now as you can see, most of chicken is started like a golden brown, like this. You see, beautiful color. Okay, have some turn. That chicken is already done, and the fragrance already come out. All right. Okay, ready? Now let's get our chicken out and heat off. Okay, now let's stand by our chicken here. Okay, see, we still have oil left. Okay, no. You can use the same pan to fry chicken, but it's kind of difficult to stirring. So I'm gonna show you use. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna show you the most Chinese cooking common one is the wok. Okay, now smoke coming out. Ready? As you can see. Okay, now from now on it will be very quick process now. Okay, now get to go in our oil. Okay, that's enough. About 2 tablespoons. Now let's start with our veg. Okay, first go in is our spring onion and the white part and our onion in. Okay, let it little stir. Then our mushroom, stacking mushroom. This is all for the aroma. Okay, fragrance. Okay. Okay, in now. Let's go in our carrot. Then garlic in. Okay. Then let's go to our cabbage. Be careful because the cabbage is here. Okay, keep a stir. Okay, now beautiful fragrance all come out. So keep a stir, keep a stir. Okay, after stir in. Now another little tip. After cabbage in, you want to kind of little touch of the water. You see, it creates a steam. Alright. Steam also can help make sure the cabbage keep the crunchy. After that, then let's go in our green pepper, then chili. Okay, still have the green part of the spring onion left. Now keep a stir. Ready? Okay, now next is go into our noodle. Then turn it down. Okay. Now we're going to fry the noodle with heat. Alright. If you find it difficult to use chopstick, you can also use the spatula like what I have here. Okay, so keep it stirring. Okay, next we are going to add our sauce. Okay, here you go. Go in. You can go on the side. Okay, good. Put it on the side. And just stirring. Okay, good. Okay, the sauce in. Now let's go into our chicken. And just keep a quick stirring like that. Alright. You can see all coating beautiful sauce. Okay, now last. We're going to the almost done. Here you go. Last is our green spring onion in. After spring onion in, then this is my sesame seed oil. Then just give them last quick good stirring. Okay, done. Then let's start the plating. Here we go. Okay, look how beautiful it is. There you go. Look there. Let's get our noodle in. Like that. And pour all our beautiful chicken, vegetable in. Cover on the top. Okay, here we go. Look, done. My beautiful chicken stir fry. We mean chicken chow mein. All right, shall we try? Okay, let's go dig in. Wow, like this. I stay on top of this, so the very nice fragrance come up immediately. All right, let's try our egg noodle. Hot. Just exactly. Much way better than any takeaway. I promise you, if you follow my step. The salty, sweetening, umami, and afterward give you tiny bit of chili kick. Such beautiful. Yeah, who say this is not a feast? Wow, beautiful. Then chicken, tender, juicy, flavor, very good. Everything is just together. I'm telling you, I promise. Follow my recipe, follow my step. You won't go to order any takeaway again. Now I will try. Now I have some chicken. Yeah. Sorry, roast. Don't waste. Beautiful. Oh. Tender, juicy, chicken flavor. Just everything come together. I promise. After this, you try it at home. You won't go back to any takeaway shop. Alright, this is my version how to make a chicken chow mein, which means a chicken stir fry noodle. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the show, don't forget to click like and subscribe and share. I see you next time on Eddy's Kitchen.